welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy, and I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I wanted to tell you a little bit on how you can become a demonstrator and a little bit about it. So if you would like to join my team and become a demonstrator. So to become a demonstrator, to get a starter kit, it's $99 and you get $125 products for that. And right now is a good time because you get free designer series paper, and it shows that right here in the back of the Celebration catalog. And you get all of this paper, okay, and all of the colors. And that is for only new people that sign up as a demonstrator. Now, being a demonstrator does not mean that you have to sell, okay? Because some people think that you have to sell to be a demonstrator. You can be just a hobbyist, you know, and just create and share your things like you would normally do. You don't have to sell if you don't want to. You can just get the free stuff and that's it, if that's what you wish. Now if you'd like to continue and sell, that is fine too. I just wanted to offer this and let you know because this is a good deal and a great way to get the free items. This is a $57 value. It's over 200 sheets, and this is for US only. And to let you know, I am on Jean Persanti's team. She is Beauty and the Stamper on YouTube, if you know her. We have a great time. So even though you do not sell and you just want to be a hobbyist, you can still join in our groups. We have Facebook groups, and even though you're not on Facebook, you can still join in. We join in classes and stuff like that on Zoom several times a month. We just had 2 this month, so you know, you're welcome to join in on those. You know, you're not obligated to or anything like that, but if you'd like to, those are fun. We've got one coming up. I have to look at my calendar. I can't remember if it's this Saturday or next Saturday, to be honest. I wrote it down somewhere. We've got one coming up March. And I can't remember if we have one this coming up Saturday or next Saturday. I have to double check on that. But anyway, those are available to you as well. And then also, even if you're not a demonstrator, depending on how much you purchase through me, like if you purchase what the supply is or what it's worth, you can get in those classes too. So get in touch with me on that. Like the double oval punch. The double oval punch. What's it called? Anything. Oh my goodness. It's got a stamp set too. Well, let's see. Let me find it in the catalog. If I found the catalog. I thought it was prepared here for everything, y'all. I'm so sorry. a little track here. Hold on. Okay, oval occasions. Yeah, oval occasions bundle. Like if you were to purchase that through me, you can get into our class on that, okay? And that is coming up soon. And I have to double check on the date on that, but ask me in a comment or something below if you're interested in that, and I will double check on that date. But anyway, if you are interested in being a demonstrator, whether it is to sell or just be a hobbyist, yeah, let me know. All you have to do, now I do not have my own website. Simple reason, I've not really had enough customers myself to be able to keep up my own website. Yeah, I just haven't been able to afford it. I just tell everyone to go to Stampin'Up.com and put in my name. You know, you go to up the top, the left corner, where it says find a demonstrator, and you put in my name, Tammy Dameron. Okay, after you put in, click on find a demonstrator, and once you put in my name under find a demonstrator, then you can click on the join button, and it will you'll be able to join me and on my team. So I've already had one lady join. That was a customer of mine. So if you would like to also join me, this is only until February. So February 28th. I know I'm getting this video up a little late, but I have been mentioning it in just about all my videos about this and posting it everywhere. But I did want to make a video all just about this and let y'all know, because I think this is a really good deal, a lot better deal than what it was when I joined a few years ago. And so yeah, this paper alone that they're giving away is a wonderful deal. And then, like I said, you get to pick out $125 worth of your own products just for $99. And then, remember that you get 20% off after that of your orders, okay? So you've got that to look forward to. And I'm trying to think. And then if you are interested in selling, they'll give you a website. You get that for, I forgot how many months you get it for free. And then after that, you will have to pay for it. And I can't remember how much it is. It's like $12.95 or something like that. So they give you some time. And so, and then they work with you and everything too. But they're really good. There's a lot of great benefits in it. And like I said, I've been in with them for 2 years, and as a business, so not just a hobbyist. I've been trying to make it as a business, and it's been slow going and everything, but I'm working hard at it, and I love it. So yeah, just let me know, and thanks for watching. Please share this video, please comment, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and I just want to try and grow my team, and you know, even if it's just like I said, y'all just want to jump on here to get the freebies, that's fine too. That's fine with me. And that would be just wonderful. And then be a customer after that, that's fine. So just let me know. And I thank y'all for watching. And remember, if you're new, not a subscriber yet, just watching this for the first time, please remember to subscribe. Click that big red subscribe button. Click the bell for all notifications. And I thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a very blessed day. Stay warm out there if you're like me and all the snow. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.